Hello, everyone. I'm Binky the Bunny, and I'd like to share my tale from back in the 1930s, the era of the railroads. It all started when I hopped across a railway track and spotted a steam engine puffing majestically on the tracks. I was captivated and decided that's where I belonged. Working on the railroads was quite the adventure. Each day my little paws would help load coal, and despite my small size, I always found ways to contribute. I remember the camaraderie among the crew, humans and animals alike. We were like a big family, united by the tracks. The long journeys across golden fields and sprawling landscapes were a sight to behold. It was hard work, yet immensely rewarding. The rhythmic clatter of the train on the tracks was music to my ears. It was during these trips that I realized being a part of something greater, like the railway, makes life all the more meaningful. Thank you for listening to my story. Those days on the rails will always be cherished in my heart, much like the tracks that connected the world back then.